Okay, fine. Okay, so last class we have seen basic introduction or brief introduction of data services, right? So we have ended up with the definition of data
Yes.
services instead. Okay, fine.
Yeah. Yes.
So what is the definition? Technical definition: SAP Data Services is an enterprise level software solution which provides data integration, data management and text data processing solutions, right? Fine.
Yes.
So we have seen clearly what is meant by data integration, data management and text data processing. Okay. So these are the three main features of data services. Along with this, what are the other features we have seen?
Cleansing, profiling, and reporting.
Profiling and reporting are the other features, right? Fine.
Yes.
So with using data services, suppose if you have your source here, okay, and you
Yeah.
want to load the data to a target system, fine. For example, this is your source and this is your target system. Okay, fine.
Yes.
So we can do lot of things with data services. Okay, fine.
Okay.
So by using data services, we can do lot of things. Okay, so what are they?
Yeah.
So you can do
Uh,
data integration, data integration. Okay,
yeah. Data quality and management.
yeah, that's called data management. Okay, so you
Yes.
can do data profiling, right? Profiling. You can see the reports, statistics of your system and jobs. Okay, and also you can
Yeah.
validate the data. Fine. You can perform text data processing.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
so there are other lot of things. Okay, the main asset of data services is data migration. Okay, fine.
Yeah.
So
Data migration.
data
Fine. Yes.
services is also called as data migration. Okay, fine. We'll have a
Yes.
separate classes. We'll have a long session regarding this data migration. Okay, so
Yes.
before that, let me give a brief introduction. What is meant by data migration? What do you know about data migration?
Something like if we store the data in in a hard disk, we need to change into some other hard disk,
Yeah,
or else a patch or updation works. We can say that also a migration.
yeah. Those are meant by patchworks and everything. Those are meant by yeah. You can also say not actually data. So those might be some sort of codes or anything. Okay. So data
Okay.
migration in SAP terminology, when we talk about our SAP, okay, data migration is,
Transferring the data and
yeah, data migration is meant by loading data from any legacy system. Okay, legacy systems are non-SAP systems. We call non-SAP systems are legacy systems. Okay, to
yeah.
SAP system. Okay, fine.
Yes.
So SAP here is ECC. Okay, nothing but SAP ERP. SAP's current version of ERP is ECC. Okay, clear? Present
Okay.
version of ERP. Okay, ERP we have seen yesterday. What is ERP? ERP is a,
Enterprise data system,
yeah,
which is
centralized database system, which is the integration of all the departments or all the modules of an enterprise. Okay, fine.
yeah.
You will have In ERP, you'll have predefined tables with the relationships already created between the tables of all the departments. Okay, you have to simply load to that application and maintain your data. Okay, fine. So that is
Yes.
ERP. So current version of SAP ERP is ECC. Okay, ERP is Enterprise Resource Planning. ECC is Enterprise Central Component. Okay, fine.
Yeah.
So data migration, if you hear data migration, that means we are loading to SAP ECC. Okay, the target will be ECC, and so source can be any type of any legacy system. Okay, that might be
Okay.
Oracle, or that might be any file or MS SQL Server or anything. Clear? Fine.
Yes.
So you can perform data migration. Okay, so you can also do data warehousing. Okay, data warehousing is nothing but like loading the data to SAP BW or SAP HANA, like, okay, the things which you can do in BW and HANA, okay, the modeling things and everything also you can do using data services. Okay, fine. So data governance, okay, data governance can also be done. Data governance is nothing but performing all the data management and data assessment activities comes under data governance. Okay, clear?
Yes.
Fine.
Yeah.
So these all things we can do with data services. Clear?
Yes.
So this is complete about data services. Okay, so I think you can speak something about data services if anyone asks what is data services, right? Now we shall
Yes.
see the evolution or history of data services. Okay, so what do you think
Yes.
from how many years is data services present? So it's not
Uh,
actually a new tool, it's around 15 years old product. Okay, so data services is a
yes.
15 years old product. Okay, but
Yeah.
recently it was acquired by SAP. Okay,
SAP.
that's why
Yeah.
it has come
I googled it.
more prominent in the present market. Okay, fine. So first we shall see
Yes.
15 years back. Okay, so there was a company
Yes.
called Actor Technologies Incorporation in California, US. Okay, fine. Similarly, every company will have an intention, right? For example, if you go for a
Yes.
big company like IBM, their intention is to provide a good hardware. Okay, so if you go for Microsoft, their intention is to provide good operating system. Okay, Oracle is nothing but good data management system. Okay,
Database. Yeah.
fine. Similarly, Actor Technologies Incorporation was a company and whose intention was to provide good real-time data integration and data management solutions. Okay,
Yes.
so further they have introduced two tools called data integrators tool, okay, and data management or data quality tool. Okay, fine. So this data integrator tool was also called as ActaWorks. Okay, till
Yeah.
2002. So these two tools were with Acta Technologies. Okay, in 2002,
Okay.
one famous company called Business Objects, okay, which is a French company. So business objects was completely into business intelligence. Okay, nothing but providing reporting tools. Okay, fine.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
in 2002, business objects were able to provide only 2 to 3 reporting solutions. Okay, so it thought of acquiring some around 12 to 15 companies. Okay, so and combine all these companies into business objects and provide ad hoc reporting. That means any type of very easy type of reporting. And since then, after acquiring those companies, it is able to provide any sort of reporting. Okay, so that might be detailed
Yeah.
reporting or formatting reporting or graphical reporting or anything. Okay, fine.
Yeah.
So that time it thought of not only providing business intelligence, it thought of also providing data integration and data management solutions. Okay, so among
Yes.
those 15 companies acquired by business objects, Actor Technologies also
This one.
was one company. Okay, so it acquired Actor
Yes.
Technologies to provide data integrator and data management solutions. Okay. So after acquiring data integrator and data management tools from Actor Technologies, it rebranded these two tools as Business Objects Data Integrator and Business Objects Data Quality Tools. Okay, these are called BODI and BODQ. Okay, fine. So in 2007, there were what happened is SAP acquired Business Objects. Okay, so why SAP?
Yes.
SAP is a big company. Okay, it's legends in ERP providers or ERP services. So it is a German company. Okay, fine. So why SAP acquired Business Objects was in around 2007, Oracle and IBM. Okay, so they were into complete data warehousing solutions. Okay, so Oracle was able to provide good database system, good data warehouse, good reporting, and good ETL solutions. Okay, IBM also was able to provide good database system, good data warehousing, good reporting, and ETL solutions. Okay, so these two companies started highlighting the disadvantages of SAP. Okay, so SAP was very good in ERP. Okay, and also in data warehouse. Okay, but SAP don't have a good ETL and also good reporting tools to provide to its users. Okay, so those two companies started highlighting these two disadvantages. What are they? SAP doesn't have a good ETL tool and SAP doesn't have a good reporting tool. Okay, so we thought of attracting the customers by highlighting these two disadvantages. Okay, then what SAP thought of, instead of implementing new tools for these two solutions, it thought of acquiring a company which is already good in providing these two solutions. Okay, then it took contract with Business Objects and acquired in 2007. Okay, so in 2007, so 2007 is a big turning point for IT market because there were three acquisitions. Okay, so IBM, Oracle, and SAP done very big acquisitions. Among them, SAP is the biggest acquisition. It bought Business Objects around 6.5 billion. It quoted around 6.5 billion to buy Business Objects. Okay, fine. So after buying, so after acquiring Business Objects, so what are the tools acquired from Business Objects? It acquired Business Objects, okay, which is a reporting tool, and also BODI and also BODQ. Okay, so after acquiring Business Objects, SAP rebranded these two products as SAP Business Objects Data Integrator, SAP Business Objects Data Quality. Okay, fine. Till 2008 ending and 2009 starting, SAP Business Objects Data Integrator and SAP Business Objects Data Quality were provided separately by SAP. Okay, so they thought of merging these two tools into one tool or one application or one software, and they introduced SAP Business Objects Data Services in 2009 starting. Okay, so this is the combination of both BODI and BODQ tools. Okay, so already we have seen in the definition, right? Fine. So in 2013 ending, what happened is the contract with Business Objects is finished with SAP. Okay, and SAP Data Services has become complete SAP product. Okay, only SAP has the rights on data services from 2013 ending. Okay, so that's why it renamed the product as only SAP Data Services. Business Objects is completely removed. Okay, now we call it as only Data Services, not BODS. Okay, fine. So this is complete history, and if you see the versions, okay, so when it was with Actor Technologies, data integrator versions were DI 1.1x, 2.x till 6.x were there, at that time.
Versions.
Okay. So DQ also DQ 1.x, DQ 2.x till DQ 6.x. Okay. Then after business objects acquired after technologies, the versions were BODI XI R1. Okay. BODI XI R2. Then BODI XI, sorry, BODQ XI R1 and BODQ XI R2. Okay, these were the versions. So these are also XI is nothing but 11. Okay, fine. Till 11 it was with business objects. Okay, fine. After SAP acquired, the versions were SAP BODI 3.x, SAP BODQ 3.x. Okay. In 3.x, 3.0 and 3.1 are separate tools. Okay. BODI is separate and BODQ is separate till 3.1. From 3.2, these two were merged. Okay. SAP BODS 3.2 was released. Okay. After that, SAP BODS 4.x was started. Okay. Clear?
Yeah. Yeah.
So this 3.x is known as also 11 point, sorry, this is 11, right? 12.x version. Okay. 14.x is 14.x version. Sorry, 4.x is 14.x version. There is no 13. Okay. So after this 12.x, 4.x is 14.x. Okay. So you'll see while logging in, you will see 14.1, 14.2. Okay, not see 4.1, 4.2, but we call it as 4.x. And we can see when working with that, it will be around like 14.x. Okay.
Yes.
So till 4.1 it was SAP BODS. From 4.2 version it is SAP DS. Okay. You will not see business objects in the tool. Okay. Fine.
Yeah.
So if you ever come to see the previous versions like 4.1, 4.0 or 3.2, you'll see SAP and business objects, both companies logos in the tool. Okay. But from 4.2 you can see only SAP logo. Okay. There will be no business objects logo. Okay. Fine.
Yes.
So in this also you'll have again service packs or support packs. Okay. So service packs or support packs are provided by adding some enhancements to the tool. Okay, clear? So recently SP4 was released. Okay, not introduced, released. Okay, so the current version is SAP DS 4.2 SP4 running in the present market. Okay, so in our training we'll be dealing with SAP DS 4.2 SP2. Okay. So there will be no much difference, just some enhancements. If any bugs are there, they will resolve them and release as a new support pack. Okay, clear?
Yeah.
So this is complete about data services history. Okay, fine. So now I think you are clear why we are calling this software as only SAP Data Services.
Data.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
and what's the best clicked version in the market now?
Best?
I mean, most used version in the present environment.
You mean among these versions?
Yes, mostly used by software companies. Like
it became very famous from 3.2 version. Okay, so from 3.2 version, like it has become more flexible. Okay. So from 4.x version, it has become more secured one. Okay. So till 3.2, there was no much security with data services. So 4.x, it has become very secure. Okay. And see, it's not like this version is used most and everything, but 3.2 is most for long period, is used for long period of time in the market. Okay. So after 4.x is released, so it is becoming very fast usage. Like every project, they are using the latest version. Okay. So they will simply update the version, so automatically you'll get the latest version in the projects also. Okay. But 3.2 was the version which was used mostly in the market. Okay, even though 4.0, 4.1 was introduced, till that time also 3.2 was used mostly. Okay, even there are many projects who uses still BODI and BODQ separately. Okay, so there will be
Oh,
some
fine.
old projects. Okay, it's not like that we have to use only this version or that version. Okay, so it depends on the
Yeah.
complete landscape. Okay, if in that landscape, if there are old systems, so depending on that old systems which version is supported, so that version will be used in the project.